Here we are again with a couple more tribute cars that when we were putting the collection together back in the early 2000s and that, Brocky told me that I would need a couple of these cars that represent his Bathurst cars. So we have the VP and the VR here. So yeah, not much to tell you about these cars other than they were pretty quick at Bathurst, but yeah, in this car at Bathurst, Brocky and Tomas Mezera had a good time in it, but unfortunately weren't successful. You probably had plenty of stories told to you in the collection about the VP.
I did, 92 Bathurst, and Brock sitting on the grid when everyone's departed to start their first lap.
He's still sitting there?
He's still sitting there. And you know, Brock went on and still finished that race despite, I think it was a rear tail shaft.
Tail shaft, yep. Did a tail shaft.
Did a tail shaft on that one, and you know, he still went out and he finished the race in 27th. So I used to use these three cars, the 92 VP, 95 VR and the 97 VS, is where things didn't always go right for Brock.
No.
There were those years, but he always finished or aimed to finish the race and was always competitive and made sure that he also wasn't behind the wheel of a car when it died. You know, 97 with Scaife, it wasn't Brock behind the wheel, and other years there that he hadn't finished. But I think from memory there was only 2 years that he had DNFs at Bathurst.
Yeah, well, this car, I think he cleaned up the fence at the top of the mountain. And
in 94.
And in 94, and they showed a big fireball up the side and everything. And I still remember seeing the footage of, they stuck the camera in his face, said, "What happened there, Brocky?" He said, "Driver error." So he used to own up to his mistakes.